Yeah, my boys, welcome. In this video, we're going to show you the results of GoGoat on $100 deposit. As you guys can see, here is the 2-day history. The bot made $64 profit without losing a single trade. This is a pure scalper based on VSA method, volume spread based analysis. As you guys can see, it takes trades and close in profit. It's a pure scalper. Here you guys can see very minor losses and a lot of belly trades. This bot can handle the account with proper risk management, proper lot sizing. Without blowing account, it will make profit. Here you guys can see only 4 losses and the bot made consistent profit, and this account is went to double. The $100 deposit is now $200 plus $2. Here you guys can see $102 is the profit. So this is the power of this boot. If you guys want to have this, check the description, chat with us, team will help you.